Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth connected but no sound problem on Windows 11. First, make sure Windows is using the correct output device. Click the sound icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Then click the arrow next to the volume slider. A list of available audio devices will appear. Select your Bluetooth device to make it the active output device. Once selected, play some audio and check if the sound works. If there is still no sound, try reconnecting the Bluetooth device. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices, then click Devices. Find your Bluetooth device, click the three dots beside it, and choose Remove Device. Turn Bluetooth off, wait 5 seconds, and turn it back on. Put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode and connect it to your PC again. After reconnecting, test the audio. If you are using Bluetooth headphones, a microphone conflict may be causing the issue. Click the Windows search bar, type Services, and press Enter. Scroll down and double-click Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. In the Properties window, change Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Then click Apply and OK. After completing these steps, restart your computer and check if the audio is working normally. Thanks for watching.